Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see your sent friend requests on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then there is no automatic way to see your sent friend requests, but one way to do it is to go to the menu and click your activity. And then from here, scroll down until you see download your information. Click that, and you will be led to this page where you'll be able to download some of your information in Instagram. So just click download or transfer from Instagram, and then select your account. And then you have the option to choose either all available information or some information. Since what you're looking for is your sent friend requests, just choose some of your information and then scroll down until you see connections and then select followers and following and then click next. Choose either to download to your device or to transfer to Google Drive and then click next. And then choose the date range. So for example, you want to see the requests you've sent in the last month. So just click last month and then click create files. So you'll just have to wait for a couple of days before the information is available. But that's how you can see your send friend requests on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!